Hi there everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. The cold front and associated low pressure system are just about on top of the west coast of the country at the moment, pushing in showers across the area. Heavier showers have been moving in over parts of the Western Cape. It's been a wet start to the day all across that region, while it's been a partly cloudy start to Friday for some parts of the Highveld, and we've already had a couple of very small thunder showers around some parts of KZN's Drakensberg Mountains. It remains partly cloudy for that area for the rest of today, along with windy conditions on the Highveld and all around the eastern high ground of South Africa. Taking a look at that front, we're going to see it moving further into the interior during the course of the day. Along with that, the wet weather spreads with it, and we're going to see temperatures taking a dive all across the northern and western Cape, and showers will move into the eastern Cape later this evening as well. Heading into tomorrow, and things are going to start clearing up over the western parts after a cloudy morning with a couple of showers in the area, but the wet weather is going to make its way from the south coast all the way up towards KwaZulu-Natal during the second half of the day. Temperatures also dropping all across this area, and we're also expecting snowfalls to take place over parts of the Eastern Cape and KZN's mountainous areas. Thunder showers still possible on Saturday afternoon for parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, perhaps even into Gauteng. 3 alerts for today. The first is a warning for a high fire danger all across the northern, central and eastern parts of South Africa. Runaway fires very likely in the area today, and 2 watches have been issued. The first is for heavy rainfall still possible for some areas over the southwestern Cape, and the final alert for today is a watch for the likelihood of gale force winds developing along parts of the eastern Cape coastline. Let's move ahead to your wind forecast for today, and we can see the very windy weather expected for parts of the interior. Johannesburg, 40 km/h northwesterly winds, stronger than that for some areas in the eastern Cape as well as KwaZulu-Natal, and it's going to be gusty across much of the coastline for your afternoon as well. Widespread showers moving in over the western parts of the country as well as along the southern coastline. That rain spreads far into the interior of the northern Cape, reaching the eastern Cape by this evening, and we're still expecting a couple of isolated thunder showers for parts of the northern Free State as well as most of KwaZulu-Natal for this afternoon. Cold air pushing in over the Cape provinces, keeping temperatures below 20 degrees for many places, below the 10-degree mark as well for parts of the western high ground. And it's going to be an especially hot day as you head towards the Lowveld. 36 degrees is a high from Bombela, while cooler air is just about reaching Durban as well. 28 degrees your maximum. We were initially expecting it to be a hotter day in your area. Let's take a look at Saturday's weather conditions, and there's a bit of rain at first in the western parts that will be clearing, while the wet weather spreads up the eastern coastline. Durban 18, cloudy and wet, and on Sunday things clear and warm significantly over the western half of the country. Cooler air reaches Gauteng with showers and thunderstorms, and it remains cold and wet for KZN.